ATCH stock analysis and price predictions and news. In this 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how to trade and analyze. You know, I'm the only guy in this world that's done 47,000 videos like this over 5 years, and it's all documented on this YouTube channel. And because I have the data, I've seen what's actually making me money and what's not. With Atlasclear Holdings, it's clearly pumping, like clearly pumped. You know, this thing went up 153%, and since now we have new data, what I'll do is just take this old bullish idea, which is gapped up, of course, put it as where it is, and I mean, the only thing that I'm really looking to do is just double down and buy more. And how this is going to look like is that if I see this double break shift, then and only then I would look to take things up. Me randomly buying my man, it's not happening, and all I'm simply doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. So that's ATCH. I do have right around 4 receipts in the Discord. So if you do want to stay tuned, you know, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.